So before getting started with the Next.js Fastkart frontend, please make sure that you have installed Node.js and Next.js. If you haven't installed them yet, you can use the link given here. So before you start, please make sure that you have successfully configured and run the Fastkart API so that we can proceed further. So now, open the Next.js Fastkart frontend directory that you downloaded from Code Canyon. Now, open the next.config.js file in your code editor and adjust the API product URL based on the reference image. In the URL section, make sure that you're using the URL which was generated in the Laravel API project. Don't forget to type in the /API. Most importantly, please make sure that the port on which you are running the Next.js frontend project is the same as given in the payment return URL and the payment cancel URL. So in the Next.js Fastkart frontend folder, run the following command in the terminal to install the required dependencies, and that code is npm install. So once the necessary dependencies are successfully installed, initiate your project by running the below command, that is npm run dev, in your terminal. So when you start an application, it usually runs on the default port. So you can access it by opening the link that is given here. So here we have successfully installed the Fastkart frontend. After setting up the Fastkart frontend, our next step is diving into the installation process for the Fastkart admin. See you in the next video.